Now, carry on.
Yes, carry on. Carry on. It is an organization that was founded by the renowned Pearl Grimes. She's one of the, she's a dermatologist to the stars. What can I tell you? Everybody goes to Pearl Grimes. And the organization CARRY is making a difference in foster care and at-risk youth. They provide dermatology services, scholarships, and what I love about it is we go down to the center and, we talk, but mostly, I'm telling you, as much as I talk, I have learned to listen to children. You listen to what they want, listen to what they need. And we did yoga last time I was there, and we wrote poetry. Whatever's going on, I said, okay, let's write a poem about that.
Wow.
And I've been working with these kids for, I think, 7 years now, and it's really making a difference.
So you have a big event coming up Friday night?
Yeah, Friday night.
Friday night at the Intercontinental Hotel in Century City. Blackish airs Wednesday nights at 9:30.
You're awesome.
On ABC.
I feel great. Look, it's a good time. It's good times,
And you
baby.
sing.
Yeah, it's a good time.
Oh,
Baby, I've been singing since I was 5 years old in
my
church.
God.